We love you, but you ain't that. La-di-da-di-da, you mad or not? I got model bitches, no pants, no bra. You know I keep a magnum, ain't talking no gun.
Look at that fluffy unicorn. He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. He's so fluffy.
Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite makeup artists' makeup looks. Yeah, it's a unicorn. I'm obsessed with unicorns, and I'm obsessed with the color blue, so I did my brows blue. She did them pink, so I did them blue. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys her makeup look right now. This is my computer, whatever. So it's on Instagram. Her page is on Instagram, and her name is Lucinda212, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys her page because why not? I fucking love her makeup look so much. Alright, so my makeup look looks bootlegged compared to hers. There you go. Anyways, boom. That's the makeup look right there. Obviously, I did my brow blue instead of pink, and I did the hair on the unicorn pink instead of blue. So yeah, wait, what? I can put the light up. I shouldn't be holding this like this. I feel so bad for my mother because she bought me this. Anyways, yeah, that's the makeup look right there. I tried recreating it, but I made it my own because I didn't add glitter I didn't add as much glitter as she did. But yeah, hopefully you guys like my video. Please keep on watching. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'm gonna try being more consistent with my videos, honestly. But yeah, this is the final look. Oh shit. More feet because I didn't add it. There's never too much. I fucking love this. Anyways, yeah. Alright guys, so first off, I'm going to start off with the brows. And I'm going to be starting off with the NYX Vivid Brights pomade in a shade that I do not know, but it's some shade, with an angled brush. Yeah, so yeah, boom. I have no brows. Yeah. Alright, so I opened it up, and it's pretty dry. I mean, I used to before, but it was so dry on my brows. So I'm trying to see if, like, it could be a little I'm trying to see if it could be a little bit more smoother. So I'm going to go in with a Mario Badescu skincare spray, whatever. I'm just gonna spray it. And I'm going to take my angle brush and just, oh yeah, it looks better. Yeah. I'm ugly as fuck. I'm back. So I obviously finished my brows, right? Oh wait, hold up. People do this on video, so I want to try it. Anyways, obviously I'm done with my brows. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and an angled brush, which I'm going to be using to carve out these brows and make them pop more. Alright, so now that I'm all done carving them out, I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend this. Yeah, blend that out. Whatever. It looks so much better in person. I swear, my nose is itching. What the hell? Oh, my favorite color is blue, by the way. So, oh. Whatever, that's fine. All right, guys, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm really scared because it's time to do unicorn. You know, I'm trying to open this. It's time to. It's time. What the hell? Anyways, it's time to do the unicorn. So. I don't know. I'm fucking scared. So yeah, the unicorn, remember, it looks like that. I'm going to be doing the hair pink. Cause you know, I did the brows blue since I didn't have the pink pomade, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna do the hair pink. I'm really scared right now. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. Anyways, I'm going to start off with, I have a mess. I need to fix my whatever this is called, makeup. Anyways, I'm honestly gonna start off with my yellow liner to start off with the horn. Yeah, just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so hopefully that's good enough. Hopefully. So now I'm going to, like, what the hell? I can't even speak correctly. Anyways, now I'm going to go in with the white. I have white liner, but I'm not using that. I'm going to go in with this white face paint. I broke it. It like came like all together, so I just broke it. It's easier to play around with. Anyways, I'm going to look in. I have an obsession with unicorns. Literally. Where's my other thing? Obsession. Oh shit. Hold up. Obsession. Anyways, alright, whatever. Whatever, I'm gonna clean that up right now. This is not a clean my makeup with me video. You know, organized makeup shit. Anyways, I'm going to look for my whatever brush. Oh yeah, this really thin brush. Oh yeah, it's right here. Alright, so boom. I'm going to go in with this brush. I got it from Michael's. Like, it's fucking bomb. You see how small that shit is? Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this and draw the unicorn out. Whew. I'm going to go in with this pink face paint. They have lighter ones. Oh, this pink one right here. And yeah. Okay. Alright, whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna fix what I can. I'm going to go in with the white because I peeped that she didn't outline the whole body in the bottom with the unicorn. I'm applying the concealer to use it as a base for the eyeshadow. Then I'm blending the concealer out with the damp beauty blender. I bought this new brush. It's from Bare Minerals. Can't focus. Okay, whatever. New brush from Bare Minerals. I really like this right here. So, y'all. Hold up. That's my James Charles palette. Okay. Boom. How? Wait, no. Wrong person. Hi, sisters. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So basically all the shades that I'm going to be using are from the James Charles palette. But yeah. Alright, so now that I have all the colors applied onto my eyelid, I'm going to use the same brush that I used to apply the color with. And I'm just going to blend the colors together. Alright, so with my Pro Concealer, I'm going to cut the crease. Yes, cut the crease with my Pro Concealer. Cut the crease, I'm going to go in with this white paint and the brush and the brush I used to, how you call it, do the unicorn. So I'm gonna like outline my crease, outline the crease I cut with the white. So to go in with this brush right here, boom, and back with the same colors, I guess. Alright, so going with this brush, I'm gonna clean it out, the crease. So off what am I gonna do off camera? Off camera, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back to add the last finishing touches. Am I saying it right? Yeah, hold up. Alright guys, so off camera, obviously I finished doing my face, but now to finish the eyeshadow. Yeah. Anyways, to finish the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the green color I was using earlier, and I'm going to apply right here. Just, yeah.
Alright, put the money in the bag. Put it in.
So I went ahead and added the little stones, glitter off camera, and drew the little spark.